Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video would be Archangel token. Why is it that it is interesting to me, or I find it interesting? My views and my thoughts after being in this community for quite some time and probably going through how it operates and especially how things are run and my thoughts on what are the future potentials for this project, or why is it that I feel that this has a lot of future growth opportunities. So, having said that, this is Mr. Aslan. Sorry for the voice, guys. I'm not well. Probably have caught a cold. So, if in case my voice is so not so uh, good, I apologize. But please bear with me. I would like to bring in this content so that I can share my knowledge about this token as much as possible. So, this is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion. Having said that, the same old disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before you get into any token out there in the crypto space. Now, after saying that the cryptocurrency market cap totally in the global note is at around 2.35 at the time of recording this video. It's up by around 2%. And when we come down to Archangel, it is up by 22%. Yes, we are seeing some good green growth with many of the tokens, in fact, especially with Bitcoin running through almost reaching the 57.5, 56 mark, 1000 mark. Okay, so coming down to quickly on Archangel, on a summary basis, I just got this Twitter post on their official Twitter account. So you can see the symbol is ARCHA. Total supply is 100 quadrillion, out of which some of it is burnt. So that's 45.4% which is burnt. Liquidity is again locked, guys. It is safe, no rug pulls. That's the major advantage, and that's something that you should definitely look out for. And it's not about liquidity is locked. How is it locked is also something that we need to cross check, guys. So this liquidity is locked not with any of the developers or anyone who they do not have the keys to this. It is locked by a third party agency. So that way, yes, it is absolutely safe. Currently, it's available on Uniswap and it's an Ethereum token. If you find the same token anywhere in Binance Smart Chain, it is a scam or it's a wrong token. Please do not purchase it thinking that it is the same Arca token, guys. Please be very careful. There are a lot of scam coins which are coming out. So it is not a Binance chain coin. Binance Smart Chain, yes, it is going to happen, but in a very later stage, probably in the next, say, 4 to 6 months. That's the duration that we see because that's the second small feature add-on that they're going to give to Archangel token, which we will discuss in the later part of the video. So 2% reflection, 2% burn, the white paper, light paper. I have done detailed reviews of both. You can just go check out my videos and you would get to know. Or nonetheless, you can get down to Telegram group, ask some questions if you want. Also, visit their website and probably go through a lot of documentation that's available for you here, guys. So each and everything is well documented. They're up to the details. So I like this. I'm a detail guy, so I would like to know a lot more details as much as possible about any project. And I love reading about all these details that they've given me. One more similar project which I would like to quote over here is Fed token because that's another project which gives us a lot of details. And literally spend some days in time to probably understand a few concepts that they're coming out with. Whereas here, the concepts are pretty much clear and simple. What they want to do is they have two particular roadmaps. One is the technical roadmap, and the second is the ecosystem roadmap. What the technical roadmap would do is add a feature or a use case to Archangel token alone. And what an ecosystem roadmap would do is bring in a new project or a product out which has its own token, but again in conjunction to work with Archangel token. So Archangel is somewhat kind of a governance kind of a token you may call, but not entirely governance. But the best profit that you could get out of Archangel is by staking it. So the staking pool is coming out soon. There is something called distribution of rewards. I have made a separate video. It's a concept in itself, and I really loved the concept, guys. That's one more reason why I was very much interested in this token. Just go check that video out to get more about it. On a gist, if I would like to say, Archangel ecosystem will be built in such a manner that if you are staking Archangel token, any of these ecosystem roadmap projects with their own tokens will be providing you certain rewards along with any other third party uh, token which would like to be part of the Archangel ecosystem or probably build their projects using the products that Archangel system has. they also would be providing a source of reward for all those users who have staked Archangel token. So I'm really excited to actually know more about the staking pool and when they're going to release it and what would be the conditions in terms of staking your Archangel token. And because the reward system that they have built, guys, it's huge. If the potential for it is huge, but yes, it could take some time. It would not be happening within a month. It would not be happening within a couple of months. It would immediately be jumped up to somewhere in the price, range of around a year or so. That's the bare minimum that you can actually expect. But trust me, the moment after the first epic comes out, that's your ecosystem roadmap, and certain other projects get to know the potential of this token and they get involved with the ecosystem. If such a case happens, then the amount of rewards that you would be getting is huge, because the rewards that you would be getting is not in Archangel token. You would be getting the rewards in that native token of that ecosystem. Say the first epic comes with token A, then token A would be what you would get as rewards, not Archangel. And that you would be getting only because you staked Archangel token. And if token B, which is an outside token, wants to get into Archangel ecosystem, use its platform to build something which they want or find a solution to their problem, then we would Archangel token stakeholders would be able to get the reward in token B itself. So ultimately, you have Archangel token staked, you have the staking rewards for Archangel alone. In Along with that, you have token A as a reward, token B also as a reward. Now, if token A price even falls down and token B price comes up, nonetheless you would still be in profit because you still have Archangel with you and you still have token B which is running at a profitable margin out there. So that's how cool it is. And imagine, I just give you an example of two ecosystems. They are in total having a plan of bringing eight ecosystems or ecosystem epics into this into Archangel ecosystem, eight or nine in fact. So after which there will be potential for other projects to get into it as well. So think of it like end of say 2 to 3 years down the lane, I would see around two epics, all right, 2 to 3 epics, and say five other projects get into it. So that's like you are just holding this one token right now, and you would be able to reap around eight different rewards from all these eight products out there as part of the Archangel ecosystem just by staking one single token. I mean, the only other token I know of in this kind of reward system is Fed, guys. I'm comparing it. I'm probably bringing out Fed, not exactly comparing it because they are into a different space. These guys are into a different space, mainly because of the reward system, which I really liked. So that is one more thing which interested me a lot with Archangel token. And the last and final thing that I would like to quote over here with Archangel team, in fact, is if you come down to their website and check their entire team. Each one of them are very talented individuals, especially the project manager Joe. Man, you should see his tweets. That's all I would say. You can come down to, the Telegram chats. Okay, the way he actually puts out information, the way how detailed he enters into a conversation in terms of any technical aspects, and the way he says the community comes first. And whatever happens with Archangel, guys, it will always be through a poll. It will be always through community voting. So even if they want to say they want to build a feature, they will always put out these are the list of features we have. Let's vote for it. The maximum votes would be going ahead and getting done. They will evaluate then and they will go ahead and carry on with that particular project as a feature ad or as an epic as well. So currently, where are we in terms of Archangel feature additions? If you come down to the consolidated path portion, like we have, these are the feature ads and these are the epics. The duration of each feature is around 3 months for it to get completed, and the duration for each epic is around 9 months for it to get completed. So the first and foremost feature is the staking pool, because that's the building block or the foundation for Archangel based on what they have built for distribution of value system, right? So once you have the staking pool ready, you will be able to stake your Archangel tokens and you will be able to start earning rewards, at least right now only in Archangel. But going forward, once the Epic launches in say around 9 months duration, we would definitely be able to see whichever token it launches out with, then that particular native token would also be given to you as a reward since you're staking your Archangel in there. The second thing that they have is a BNB cross chain. That's the second feature add that they want to do, and that is something that you can expect to happen within the next 4 to 5 months or 6 months duration. That's the duration. But Joe did confirm that uh, the BNB testing, cross-chain testing is happening at a faster pace. And I was really surprised to see that they're not only looking into a single bridge for BNB, they are also looking out for opportunities where they can enter into other blockchains as well, right? So that would be really huge addition and nice to see that happening. The third and the third feature that they have in mind is to join swaps. So probably they are going to go ahead and I mean, I'm not so sure on what would happen, the third feature and stuff, but just quoting whether they might come out with their own swap or they might have integrations with other swaps, which would somewhat give you an opportunity to go ahead and ideally do swapping. Nothing more than that. But yeah, there might be certain other feature value adds that they might add or bring in a kind of utility to Archangel token. So it's all about utility to Archangel token that they will be focused on, guys. So having said that, these are the things which have interested me a lot. And the current price of Archangel that we are looking at, it's a bit enticing. Trust me, whatever the price we are seeing now, yes, we would be seeing at least around 2 to 3 zeros cut off by next year, and that's my thought over there. It would take time, but I wouldn't speak anything on the price point right now, guys, because it's very early for us. It's very early. The current market cap, if you just look at it, it says that it's around $11 million, and fully diluted, if you want to check, it's around $1 million. All right, so again, it's very early to go ahead and comment anything on the price point. So I would keep the price analysis. I mean, my prediction or my thought process is that if they come out with all these epics and stuff, we would definitely be able to eat away 3 zeros by the end of next year. By the end of next year, that's what I say. Okay, because why? The epic obviously takes around 9 months duration to build, and once the epic builds is when you can definitely expect a lot of price action happening, and big whales also or investors also coming into the project, guys. Once you have a credible product available from your end, we do not we can then see a potential, and we do not know how big of it can actually create as an impact, right? So that's where I'm thinking that this would have reached by the end of next year again. Having said that, is this a good entry point? Definitely yes. If you're planning to get into a token for a very long term investment, or probably would like to go ahead and invest some amount in a token which you want to keep for another 1 or 2 years duration, then this would be the one to consider. That is my personal suggestion, guys. This is one of the tokens. In fact, this is not only one. There are many other tokens which you can definitely consider, but the price point and the amount of potential for growth is quite high for this token, since the team is backed by a very good vision, and I'm very strongly believing that they would be able to achieve that based on the technical expertise and the way that they are functioning here, guys. I'm pretty damn sure that we are going to see some good days. I mean, in fact, great days for the entire Archangel token community out there. Having said that, I'll end my video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you like the content, and also subscribe to my channel for more such content related to Archangel or any other token which I personally like and I have personally invested in as well. So do watch out my crypto wisdom section where I'll be posting general educational videos. And right now, I've also recently posted one of the videos related to Telegram scams. I would definitely ask you to go ahead and check that out, guys. It's very educational and it is somewhat of an awareness creating video. So please do go ahead and share it as well to as many people as you can, just so that you spread the awareness. And thank you again for all the love and support that you have been showing me, and keep continuing the same so that I can bring amazing content to each one of you. Have fun, guys.